Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, my group will be presenting our assignment titled Cosmetics or Poison? Analysis of prohibited chemical substance in skin whitening products. This presentation focuses on the presence of prohibited chemicals in skin whitening products and their effects on human health.
Skin whitening products are widely used for cosmetic enhancement, particularly in the pursuit of lighter and more even skin tone. However, behind their appealing claims, many of these products have been found to contain prohibited chemical substances such as mercury, hydroquinone, and corticosteroids, which pose serious health risks. This raises an important question: are these products truly cosmetics, or are they a hidden form of poison? This assignment analyzes the presence of banned chemicals in skin whitening products and highlights the potential dangers they present to consumers. There are three objectives we are looking to achieve. Firstly, is to identify prohibited chemical substances commonly found in skin whitening products. Secondly, to assess potential health risks associated with exposure to these prohibited substances. And last one is to increase consumer awareness regarding the safety concerns and potential dangers of using unregulated or illegal skin whitening products. When identifying unsafe skin whitening products, the first step is to check the ingredient list. Look for banned chemicals such as mercury or hydroquinone. However, it's important to note that some products may not list these ingredients clearly or may omit them entirely. Next, always verify product approval. Safe products should be registered with health authorities. Be cautious of fast result claims. Words like instant whitening or permanent fairness are major red flags. These effects usually indicate the presence of strong harmful chemicals rather than safe cosmetic ingredients. Also, examine the packaging details. Missing manufacturer information, batch numbers, or expiry dates suggest poor traceability and illegal production. Another key factor is product origin. Products with unclear sources or illegal imports are more likely to contain prohibited substances. Pay attention to side effects such as burning, redness, skin thinning, or irritation. These symptoms often appear after short-term use or worsen over time. Finally, always refer to safety alerts issued by health authorities, which regularly list cosmetic products banned due to harmful ingredients. Awareness is the strongest protection for consumers.
There are several chemicals that are commonly misused in skin whitening products. In this presentation, I will focus on 5 main prohibited substances, which are mercury, hydroquinone, corticosteroids, heavy metals, and phenolic compounds. These chemicals are often added illegally to enhance whitening effects. Firstly, mercury is added to skin whitening products because it provides rapid whitening results. It works by inhibiting melanin formation in the skin. Mercury can be easily absorbed through the skin and enters the bloodstream. Over time, it accumulates in body tissues. Even at low concentrations, mercury is highly toxic and dangerous to human health. Prolonged exposure to mercury can cause skin irritation and abnormal skin discoloration. Mercury toxicity also affects internal organs, particularly the kidneys. It can damage the nervous system, leading to symptoms such as memory loss and tremors. In pregnant women, mercury exposure may harm fetal development. Then we have hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a skin whitening agent commonly used to treat pigmentation under medical supervision. It works by inhibiting the tyrosinase enzyme, which is essential for melanin production. As a result, melanin synthesis is reduced, leading to lighter skin tone. However, when used without supervision or in cosmetics, hydroquinone is unsafe. Therefore, it is banned or strictly restricted in cosmetic products. The misuse of hydroquinone can cause skin irritation, redness, and increased sensitivity to sunlight. Long-term use may lead to exogenous ochronosis, which causes blue-black skin pigmentation. Hydroquinone has also been associated with potential carcinogenic risks. Overall, prolonged exposure results in permanent skin damage. Thirdly, we have corticosteroids. Corticosteroids are sometimes added to skin whitening products because they reduce inflammation and redness. This creates an instant fair and smooth appearance on the skin. However, this effect is only temporary and masks underlying skin problems. Corticosteroids are frequently misused in cosmetic products. In reality, they should only be used under medical prescription. And the long-term misuse of corticosteroids can cause skin thinning, also known as skin atrophy. Other effects include acne, stretch marks, and delayed wound healing. Corticosteroids suppress the immune response of the skin, increasing infection risk. They may also disrupt hormonal balance and cause steroid-dependent syndrome.
For heavy metals, arsenic. Arsenic is a toxic heavy metal that is often found as an illegal ingredient or an international contaminant in skin whitening products. It can alter skin tone. Some manufacturers illegally add arsenic compounds as whitening agents because of their perceived effectiveness in altering skin tone. Arsenic can migrate into products during manufacturing from the corrosion of metallic machinery or as an impurity in raw materials. Some illegal products intentionally include arsenic and not listed on product labels for easy profit. Health effects of arsenic are interference with cellular signaling and DNA repair. Arsenic's toxicological impact on the skin is largely mediated through its interference with cellular signaling pathways, inducing oxidative stress and disrupting DNA repair mechanisms. This metalite binds to TL groups in proteins, leading to enzymatic inhibition and impaired cellular function. Second is oxidative stress and ROS generation. By promoting the generation of ROS, arsenic accelerates cellular senescence, weakens thermal immunity, and contributes to chronic inflammation, all of which heighten the risk of carcinogenesis. And epigenetic effects. The metalite also exerts epigenetic effects, modulating gene expression patterns in keratinocytes and fibroblasts, which further predisposes the skin to malignancy and degenerative change. Lastly, skin cancer. Chronic arsenic exposure is associated with skin manifestations such as pigmentation changes, keratosis, and increased risk of skin malignancies. Next is cadmium. Cadmium is a toxic heavy metal occasionally found in skin whitening products, though it is not a legal or functional whitening agent. It is used as pigments. Cadmium compounds produce deep yellow to orange hues and have historically been used as pigments in various cosmetics, including face powders and creams. It often appears as an impurity in raw materials like iron or side dyes or through contaminated water. Health effects of cadmium are epidermal barrier disruption. Exposure can cause epidermal barrier disruption, leading to inflammation, skin irritation, and allergies and eczema. Cadmium activates autophagy through signaling pathways such as calcium ERK, but prolonged exposure reduces the expression of autophagy-related proteins and disturbs autophagy lysosome function that contributes to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other brain diseases. Cadmium compounds are classified as carcinogens and may contribute to lung cancer and other reproductive failure. Next is phenolic compound, rhododenol. Rhododenol, also known by its structural name 4,4-hydroxyphenyl 2-butanol 4-HPB, is a phenolic compound extracted from white birch and Nico maple trees. It was developed by Cannibal Cosmetics Incorporated in 2000 as a continuation of magnolignin. It is extracted from white birch and Nico maple trees. According to the manufacturer, rhododenol's primary action is to reduce melanin synthesis by competitively inhibiting the activity of the tyrosinase enzyme. It is classified as an active ingredient or a caustic drug in Japan. The skin whitening agent rhododenol is also manufactured under a non-neutral organization, Cannibal Cosmetics Incorporated, which means its credibility is not very. Negative effects of rhododenol are rhododenol-induced leukoderma (RIL). Many cases of leukoderma after the application have been reported, termed rhododenol-induced leukoderma (RIL). It is a skin condition causing white patches, depigmentation, damaging pigment-producing cell melanocytes. RIL develops due to toxic metabolites from rhododenol-activating tyrosinase, leading to melanocyte death or reduced melanin, often appearing at application sites. Depigmentation. White spots or patches appear primarily where the cosmetic was applied. Damaged melanocytes. The metabolism of rhododendron by tyrosinase leads to the production of reactive oxygen species (ROS), which contribute to melanocyte cytotoxicity. ROS production was detected in melanocyte cells exposed to rhododendron and is metabolized, with rhododendron catechol producing significant ROS, while rhododendron cyclic catechol produce minimal ROS. For conclusion, skin whitening products can function either as safe cosmetics or as harmful substances depending on their ingredients. Products that contain prohibited chemicals pose serious risks to human health. Although these substances may produce fast whitening effects, they can cause long-term skin damage, organ toxicity, and other severe health problems. Therefore, skin whitening products that are not properly regulated should be considered potentially dangerous rather than cosmetic. Consumers must be cautious, choose products approved by health authorities, and prioritize safety over instant results. In conclusion, true cosmetics should improve appearance without compromising health, while products containing illegal chemicals should be avoided entirely. That's all from us. Thank you.